Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn how you can register as Atomy India Distributor on the Atomy official mobile app. First, go to Google Play Store on your mobile. Search for official Atomy Mobile App. Install the app and wait for some time. Agree. Atomy would like to send you notification. Allow Atomy Mobile to take pictures and record video. Allow Atomy Mobile to access photos, medias and files on your device. From the top left side of your screen, click on the three lines and a sidebar menu will appear. Now, click on Settings at the top right corner of the sidebar menu. Then the settings page will open. Click Region, India from the drop-down menu and a pop-up box will appear that will ask you to restart the app. Click OK. Wait for some time for the app to open. After opening, click on the three lines and you can click on the company to know about us, know about company overview, company vision, company philosophy, company foundation, motto, management info, and help center. You may know about the business plan by clicking on the business, direct seller agreement, code of ethics and principle, policies and procedures, compensation plans, dealership, general commission, mastership bonus, terms and promotions. You may also know about the types of seminars by clicking on Atomy Seminar. You can also click on Channel Atomy to watch Atomy videos. And Help Center. If you want to join as Atomy India Distributor, click on Join Us on the top right side of your mobile page. After that, please enter sponsor's Atomy Distributor number, which is the member ID, along with guest password and click on Login. You will be diverted to the next page where you will have to reconfirm the password. Click on OK. On the next page, you will be able to see the tab Distributor Individual, and to begin the registration, please click on Distributor Individual. You will be redirected to the next page which has Atomy orientation videos. Please watch both the videos carefully, that is company introduction and compensation plan video. After that, scroll down and read the direct seller agreement, and if you agree with the agreement, then you may click on I agree checkbox. After that, kindly read the code of ethics and principles carefully, and upon your agreement, you may click on I agree checkbox. Below that, you will find policies and procedures. Kindly read it and then you may click on I agree checkbox. Now, you will see the next document with compensation plan details. Kindly read it carefully and then you may click on I agree checkbox. In order to give your final consent to register as Atomy India Distributor, and if you agree to abide by the contents and all the above mentioned terms and conditions, then you may click I agree tab as shown on the screen, and to continue to next step, please click on Confirm. On the next page, kindly fill in the personal information which is crucial to complete the registration. As this registration is only for residents and citizens of India, nationality is set to Indian. Kindly choose your gender between male and female. Please fill in the date of birth of the applicant. For demonstration purpose, we are using India's Independence Day. Now set your password, which should be more than 6 digits and combination of alphanumeric and one special character. Kindly confirm the same password by entering in the next box. Please set the guest password for the same account which should be more than 4 digits. After that, kindly enter the telephone number with city code. For demonstration purpose, we are using Atomy India Customer Support Center number. In the next box, please enter valid Indian mobile number of the applicant. After this, kindly enter the address details in the next 2 lines. For demonstration purpose, we are using Atomy India's corporate office address located in Gurugram. Now to enter the PIN code, click on search and new window will pop up. Then enter your 6-digit PIN code and click on search tab. Then select the respective PIN code given along with city, district and state, which will be automatically filled in the next 3 boxes. In the next box, please enter a valid email ID and choose the correct domain from the drop-down menu. If your domain is not in the drop-down menu, you can check on to input and then you can type your domain. For demonstration purpose, we are using Atomy India's customer support email. Please click on the checkbox of I agree to receive a confirmation email about your registration and for the information on products, updates and special offers. For verification of the applicant, it is mandatory to provide the PAN card number and hence please enter valid PAN card number in the box and click on verification. After this, a pop-up will appear and kindly click on OK and applicant names will appear in the next box. Another important requirement is for applicant's address proof verification, and for this, click on the drop-down arrow and select any one of the document out of Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID, driving license and enter the chosen document number in the next box. Now choose the front page of the selected document and then the back page of the same document. The document we are showing are for demonstration purpose only. For address proof acknowledgement, kindly read point number 1 to 4 and then you may click on I agree checkboxes against all the lines. Before filling the next information about spouse details, please note that the officially married couples must have only one account. If you want to add your spouse, husband or wife, then click on yes and enter spouse's full name, spouse's PAN card number and mobile number. If you do not wish to add spouse or if it is not applicable, then click on no, now and very carefully enter sponsor's ADN, which is the member's ID, and click on search and a pop-up will appear. This will auto-generate the sponsor's name and you will find 2 boxes below it. Please note that if there is a distributor registered on the left, applicant will be registered on the right, and if there are no distributors in both sides, then left side will be auto-selected first. Now you may click on confirm. Sponsor's name will appear in the box. Now select the center from the drop-down menu as Atomy India. There will be options of selecting centers from your preferred locations from across India. And finally, you may click on confirm. Congratulations, your registration process will be completed. In the next page, you will be able to see your and your sponsor's information. If OK, click on registration complete. If not, you may go back to the personal information page and correct the information. If OK, you may click on registration complete. Congratulations, your registration process will be completed.